Most people buy a robot vacuum thinking it will save them hours of work, only to find the thing pinned in a corner like a confused turtle within 20 minutes. You want a machine that acts like it has a brain, not one that bounces around your living room like a lost pinball. This latest mid-range floor cleaner is a breath of fresh air because it feels like a tank. The plastic is heavy. The wheels are sturdy. It does not feel like it will snap the first time it clips the edge of your heavy sofa or wooden chair leg. When you pick it up, there is a weight to it that suggests it was built to last longer than just a single season. Most budget machines are flimsy. This one is ready for the daily grind. The way it moves is the real standout feature. Instead of wandering aimlessly and hoping it hits a dust bunny, it maps out the room with purpose. It knows exactly where it is. It sees the walls. It sees the furniture. It works in a methodical grid that actually makes sense to any human observer. You can see it reaching into those annoying corners and hugging the baseboards where the dust usually hides. It does not leave those little lines of debris that drive people crazy. On hard floors and thin carpets, the suction is punchy enough to grab pet hair and crumbs in one go. You are not going to see it leave a trail behind. If you have those deep, shaggy rugs, it might struggle a bit. The suction power naturally dips when asked to fight through thick fibers. That is pretty standard for these machines, but it is something to keep in mind if your house is covered in plush carpet. The noise is manageable. It is not silent, but you can keep the TV on or have a conversation without shouting over it. It sounds more like a steady hum than a jet engine taking off in your hallway. The app control is where the convenience really shines. You can draw lines on your phone to tell it exactly where not to go. If you have a messy pile of cords or a pet bowl, you just mark it as a no-go zone. It actually listens. You can set a schedule and just forget about it. If the battery starts to die in the middle of a job, it does not just quit and die in the middle of the floor. It rolls back to its little home, gets a quick boost, and then goes right back to the exact spot where it stopped. That kind of reliability is what makes it worth the investment. Setting it up is a total breeze. You just find a flat spot against a wall for the dock. Make sure there is about a foot of space on the side so the machine does not get confused when it tries to park. Plug it in and let the robot charge up first. You download the app, find the device, and connect it to your home network. Once it is paired, let it run a full scan of your house. It will zip around, learning every turn and doorway. After that, you are the boss. You can name the rooms and tell it to clean the kitchen after dinner. Or hit the entryway after the kids get home. It takes the thinking out of cleaning. It is not perfect. Sometimes the app takes a second to reconnect if your internet is acting up. But for a daily workhorse, it really delivers. It focuses on the basics and does them well. You get clean floors without the headache of babysitting a machine that cannot find its way out of a corner. It handles the edges. It handles the crumbs. It just works. You can finally stop worrying about the mess under the dining table. This machine takes that task off your plate. It is a solid choice for anyone tired of the manual labor of a traditional vacuum. It just does its job so you can do yours.